Alright, we're back with another one. We'll see if this works. I get the phone hanging from a tree, so let's get a show how I cope these. I got another, I don't know how many I've done. Done 15 right now, and I got another 35 to go or whatever. But I found a tree here to hang the phone, so then I can show you. I already got the string line done. Chalk lines are on both sides. You know, it takes you a while. I'm kind of going up a hill here with these posts. Running it off of my another Harbor Freight Vulcan welder. This thing's been awesome for the price too. It's been dumped out here with no power, so that's a mobile. It's a welder and a generator, so I'm running the bandsaw off of that. So let's cut it real quick, see how she goes. Didn't get it all the way on that side, damn it. Now let's just that much, a little bit. Take your pipe, check it. Pretty good. That's it, not too long. I'll cut the ears off just a little bit to get a little smaller, a little kind of, the little top of the ears hold it up, but that's it. Just like that. Not bad at all, I don't think.